Hey there, language learners. Welcome back to Vuku. Today, we're diving deep into the IELTS listening test. Have you ever wondered how to ace this challenging part of the exam? Well, you're in luck. I've got 14 essential tips that'll help you boost your score and feel confident on test day. Whether you're a first-timer or looking to improve, these strategies will make a real difference. Ready to level up your listening skills? Let's get started. Number 1. Understand the test. First things first, let's talk about knowing your enemy. The test itself. You've got to familiarize yourself with the IELTS listening format. How many sections are there? What types of questions will you face? How long does it last? These might seem like basic details, but trust me, they're crucial. When you know what to expect, you'll feel more at ease and can focus on the task at hand. So, take some time to research the test structure and question types. It'll pay off, I promise. Number 2, practice regularly. Now, I know you've heard this before, but I can't stress it enough. Practice makes perfect. Make listening a part of your daily routine. Tune into podcasts, news reports, or TED Talks. The key is to expose yourself to different accents and topics. Start with things you find interesting, then gradually move to more academic content. Remember, listening is something you do every day, so why not make it work for your IELTS prep? Number 3, listen for keywords and signposts. Here's a pro tip. Pay attention to keywords and signposts in both the questions and the audio. These are like little signposts, guiding you to the correct answers. Look for headings in the question paper. They'll give you a clue about the audio content. And listen out for phrases like first, on the other hand, or in conclusion. They're gold dust for understanding the structure of what you're hearing. Number 4, watch out for distractors. The IELTS test makers are clever. They'll try to throw you off with distractors. A speaker might say one thing at the beginning, then change their mind later. Stay alert and listen to the entire audio before settling on your final answer. It's all about staying focused and not jumping to conclusions too quickly. Number 5, don't get stuck. If you can't find an answer, don't panic. It's better to move on than to waste time on one tricky question. Remember, you can't rewind the audio, so keep up with the flow. If you miss something, make your best guess and keep going. You can always come back to it at the end if you have time. Number 6, transfer answers carefully. For those taking the paper-based test, you'll have 10 minutes at the end to transfer your answers. Use this time wisely. Double-check your spelling and make sure you're writing in the correct answer boxes. It would be a shame to lose points over silly mistakes, right? Number 7, preview the questions. Before the audio starts, you'll have some time to look at the questions. Use it. Try to predict what the audio might be about based on the questions. This will help you focus on the right information when you're listening. Look for clues in the question types and any given information. If you see a map or a diagram, for example, you can expect the audio to describe locations or processes. This mental preparation can make a big difference in your performance. Number 8, mind the word limit. When the instructions say, write no more than 2 words, they mean it. Going over the word limit means your answer will be marked wrong, even if it's correct. So, be careful and stick to the rules. Practice identifying the key information and expressing it concisely. This skill will not only help you in the listening test, but also in the writing and speaking sections of the IELTS. Number 9, tackle multiple choice questions strategically. For multiple choice questions, try to eliminate wrong answers as you listen. This narrows down your options and makes it easier to choose the correct one. And for matching questions, be prepared to jump around. The answers might not come in order. Number 10, boost your listening skills. To really excel, you need to work on your overall listening abilities. Practice things like understanding context, predicting what speakers might say, and focusing on the main ideas. These skills will serve you well beyond just the IELTS test. Try listening to a variety of accents and speaking speeds. The more diverse your listening practice, the better prepared you'll be for anything the test throws at you. Number 11, build your vocabulary. A strong vocabulary is your secret weapon in the listening test. The more words you know, the easier it'll be to understand what you're hearing. Read widely. Learn new words every day and try to use them in context. It'll make a big difference on test day. Number 12, take smart notes. As you listen, jot down key information like dates, numbers, and important phrases. But be careful. Don't get so caught up in note-taking that you miss what comes next. Find a balance that works for you. Develop a personal shorthand system for quick note-taking. Practice this during your listening exercises so it becomes second nature during the test. Number 13, answer every question. Here's a simple but important tip. Never leave a question blank. Even if you're not sure, make an educated guess. There's no penalty for wrong answers, so you've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Practice making educated guesses based on context and your general knowledge. Sometimes your instincts can lead you to the right answer. Number 14, predict and proofread. Use the question paper to help you predict what you might hear. This mental preparation can make it easier to catch the right information. And always check your answers for spelling and grammar. A correctly heard answer can still lose you points if it's written incorrectly. And there you have it, 14 essential tips to help you ace the IELTS listening test. Remember, improvement takes time and effort, but with these strategies, you're well on your way to success. Do you have any favorite IELTS preparation tips? Share them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Vuku for more language learning content. Until next time, happy studying!